completely. Okay, somewhat tricky this one. We are unable to solve the V1 with the 3 variables also. If I have the Boolean postulates and theorems can be applied to how many variables? Only up to 3 variables. Only up to 3 variables. If I go with the more than 3 variables, then I can't solve with the simplify the Boolean functions and the theorem. These Boolean expressions are Boolean equations with the Boolean postulates and theorems. So that I will go to the better, one more option is there, that is that K-map, another one the pin matrixing method. K-map will be solved with the up to the 6 variables, but for your syllabus we have the only to the 4 variables, up to 4 variables. Nimdo syllabus alli DDCO subject alli only for the 4 variables ge matra K-map ide. Adu 5 variables ಮತ್ತೆ 6 variables I can also solve here, but the thing is that only for 4 variables ಗೆ stop ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ. Next ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನ pin matrixing method ನಿಮಗೆ syllabus ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, we'll go with the K-map. Okay, with the K-map simplification with the up to the 4 variables only. Okay, up to the 4 variables only. Okay, just to consider the K-map. Next topic is what here the K-map. K-map is nothing but the one of the grid. Okay, grid solution. This is what we have the K-map Karnaugh map. Okay, K is nothing but the scientist name Karnaugh. Okay.
Students, here we will see the how to transfer our truth table toward the grid form, that is the K-map. We are mapping the our truth table that is in the rows and column toward the grid form to as the K-map. We are mapping our grid to truth table to K-map. That's we will be studying. We will be having.
Okay, today's topic, new topic is the K-map. Okay, for the K-map, I need the truth table here. Okay, transferring the complete truth table into the mapping, it is to be called as the K-map here. For the truth table of the 2 variables, write the truth table for the 2 variables, for the 3 variables, and up to 4 variables. Okay, truth table for the 2 variables should be what here the 2 variables can be x, y. This is what here the x, y, z. This is what here the w, x, y, z. Okay. 2 variables here what here the I have the 2 variables means what here the x and y. The function would be what f only. The 2 variables can have the 2 to the power of n number of combinations. So that I have the 2 to the power of 2 means what here the 4 combinations I can have. So that 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So that function would be what here the whatever the we have the whatever it may be. Okay, if I apply the function where terms are present, then I would return here. Okay, then the f function would be what here the xy and x dash y is there. Okay, just to refer these 2 terms, whether the xy is present here, xy, x and y is present, just to put the 1, x dash y is there, just to put the 1, remaining terms would be what here the 0 only, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, similarly I can write the 3 variables truth table here, x, y, z is there. Okay, 0, 0, 0 up to the 2 to the power of 3 is how many? 8. Okay, 8 combinations I need here. Okay, 8 combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, just to write the decimal equivalent series here. Decimal equivalent binary values 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, if I have the function with the x, y, z is there, then the x dash y, z plus x, y, z, then the x dash y, z dash. Okay, just to refer the x dash y is there, here x dash y, z is this is the 1 equivalent, x, y is there, then put the 1, x dash y, z dash is there, x dash here, x dash y z dash is there. Okay, this is the I have to write the remaining terms would be what here the 0 only. F equals to 0 0 0 0. Okay, this is the truth table for the 3 variables with the boolean functions. Okay, with the boolean function. Okay, I will be writing the now write the w x y z. Okay, these are the 4 terms are there, 4 variables. Then the 2 to the power of n is nothing but the here how many variables are there? 4 variables. So that I can write the 2 to the power of 4. How many? 16 combinations. So that I can write the 0 0 0 0 0 to 15. I need to write the 0 to 15. Write the 0 to 15 combinations, right? Okay, 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1. I need one more, 3 more here, 2 more. Okay. Similarly, if I have the function with the f equals to x y z x y z w x y z dash plus x w x y z dash like this. If I have the then these 2 terms should be here the 1. The remaining terms should be what here the 0 here. Okay, you should have the some knowledge there. 1 1 0 0 0. Sorry, 0 1 1 is there. 7th term now. Okay, this to be 1 and one more is there w x y z dash w x y z dash nothing but the 14th term. 14th term. Okay, sorry 13th term, that is to be 1. Okay, remaining terms would be what here the 0 0 only. Okay, this is about the truth tables for the variables. We have the 2 variables, 3 variables and the 4 variables. Okay, the K-map tells us to always the truth tables transfer the given truth tables into grid form. Okay, we have the grid form or skeleton form here. Skeleton is nothing but the, we have the skeleton is nothing but the K-map is called the Karnaugh map. Map is also sometimes called as the skeleton. Skeleton. Okay, some books they call it the skeleton. This is to be called as the grid also. Okay, few people, some writers they will say that this map completely as the skeleton. Okay, this map completely as the skeleton, and also some books they will say that sometimes the grid. Okay, grid. Okay, if I have the truth table for the complete the here the okay, K-map is the only the transferring the complete truth table into the grid form. K-map is the transferring the given truth table into the grid form. Okay, we will whatever we are applying the Boolean theorems and postulates, instead of applying the Boolean theorems and postulates, we made the some assumptions there. We made the some rules there. Okay, how to make it? What will say explain. Okay, this is the for the 2 variables. Okay, for the 2 variables transferring, how can I write the grid form? Okay, this is the 4. Okay, these are the 4 combinations are there. These are the 4 combinations. So that the K-map for the 4 variables can be 2 variables with the grid form here the okay 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So that I written the 1 2 3 4. Okay, then this is to be on the column side. On the row side, I will consider the variables as the x. Okay, 2 variables are there, no? 2 variables means here the x, this is the y side. One variable to be considered the on the column side, row side, another to be column side. Okay, column side. This we call the sum. Okay, this okay, this is to be considered. Okay, this is nothing but I can write the this is to be what here the x dash x. One variable can have the 2 values either 0 or 1. So I am writing the this is the x as the x dash or x as the x. Okay, for this belongs to the this row particularly we have the x dash. This row belongs to the x only. The similarly I can write the this row belongs to the y variables. This row belongs to the y variable. So that I can write the y as the y dash and y dash and the y dash and y. Okay, and also I need to naming to the indexing to the these boxes here. Okay, these are called the boxes. These are also sometimes called the squares. There is my mother here. Boxes, squares, and also sometimes called as the, okay, these are called as the boxes or squares. Okay, these squares and boxes are to be named. Okay, how this is to be named to the decimal equivalent as the 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes, na? Similarly, I can also give the naming to the these boxes here with the as the 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I have to give the name to the these boxes with the 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, these boxes can have the values. Okay, values here. Okay, this to be x dash, y dash is there. X dash, y dash. Multiply the row with the column. Row with the column. X dash, y is there. Okay, this is to be what here the x, y dash. This is to be what multiply with the x with the y is there. What here the x, y is there. X, y is there. Similarly, you can also write the remaining three variables K map also. Three variables. K map. Okay, three variables K map can have the how many boxes here? 2 to the power of 3 means what here? 8 boxes. How to write the 8 boxes here? Just to draw the 8 boxes of the K map. 8 boxes. These are the 8 boxes to the K map. So that here I have the 3 variables. One variable will be to be taken to the on the row side. On the row side, remaining 2 variables can be taken to the yz on the column side. So that one variable can have the 2 values as the 0 or 1. So that I can write the 0 or 1. So I written here the x dash and x similarly same as the meaning of the 0 or 1, same thing. Okay, I can write the 0, 0 here. Because the yz can have the 4 combinations there. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, so that I 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Whether I written right or wrong. Because 0, 0, 0, 1, next it should come what here the 1, 0 only. But here I written it the 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0. Because you see we are getting the pseudo coding technique here. Okay, I'll be telling what we are discussing there. Important thing. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 is there. Okay, this to be what is indexed with the 0. This is to be indexed with the 0 because the 0 into 0, 0, 3 are there. Okay, decimal equivalent to the index into the squares here. 0 into 0, 1. 0 into 0, 1, how much here the 1 only. So that 1, 0 into 1, 1 is what here the 3 only. 0 into 1, 0 is what here the 2, okay, 2, okay, 2. I left it here the 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0 is the what here the 4. 1, 0, 1 is the what here the 5. 1, 1 is what here the 7. 1, 1 is this is the 6. Okay, this is we call the indexing of the squares of the K map. Okay, indexing means what we are giving the names to the for all those boxes to the particular x and y z combinations here. Okay, this is what here the somewhat looking like a truth table only, but here we are transferring the truth table to what here the grid form. What we are doing? We are transferring the truth table into grid form. So, okay, whatever the rows and columns we are transferring into the completely with the grid form. Grid can consist of the map can consist of the number of boxes. Okay, these boxes depends on the how many variables present in the given function. If I have the 2 functions, I would be going with the 2 variables K map. If I have the 3 variables in the given function, then I will go with the 8 boxes K map. Okay, 8 boxes K map. Okay, sometimes I will call the grid, sometimes I will call the map also. Okay, sometimes I call these as the squares, or sometimes I call the boxes also. I will name these boxes as the difference. Okay, next is what here the indexing. First we take think about the how many variables are there. Next, how many variables? 2 to the power of n number of boxes here. 2 to the power of 3 is how much here? 8. 8 is nothing but I draw the box here. Okay, with the grid. Okay, how many grids? How many boxes in this grid are? 8. These grids are named with the on the row side with the x variable, another on the y, on the column side is the y. Okay, so that x can have the two values here. X can have the two values either 0 or 1. So that they are either 0 or 1. Okay, yz can have the four combinations 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. But I written here the 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 because I will tell you in the coming class because why I need here, because the sometimes pseudo technique is so okay, pseudo technique will be using. I will teach the next one. Okay, 0 0 you remember this one. Okay, the indexing of the cells will be what here, the 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, similarly I can write the Similarly, I can write the K-map for the four variables. K-map for the four variables. So that here the K-map for the four variables y, wx. This is y. Combinations. How many combinations I can have? Two variables. 4. Okay, that's what 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. But I will be writing the I will be leaving the third row as the under the arrow.